Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About cosine x to the power of 5, we can put into cosine x to the power of 4 multiplied by cosine x. Next, this one we can write into cosine x squared to the power of 2. So we have the formula in here. Cosine x squared plus sine x squared equals to number 1. We have cosine x squared, so I will put sine x squared go to the right. And we got about 1 minus sine x squared. So I will put this one to change about cosine x squared. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about du equals to cosine x dx. This one you got about u to the power of 5. This one you got about u squared. Cosine x dx we change by du. Now we need to expand this one. Next, u to the power of 5 multiplied by number 1, u squared, and u to the power of 4. And now we can get the final answer. The integration of u to the power of 5, you got about u to the power of 6 over 6. The integration of this one, you got about u to the power of 8 over 8. And the last one, that's about number 10. And we put about c. So we have 2 simplified by 8. You got about 1 over 4. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.